Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another banger for you guys. So as you know, due to the shoe market taking an absolute nosedive after its peak, I've been dipping my toes a little bit into Pokemon pack ripping, as you can see from some of my more recent uploads. So the other day I was getting groceries at a different supermarket than I usually go to, and lo and behold, a Pokemon vending machine. But not like the one you're thinking. This was a DIY, locally owned, and locally filled machine. They had a good variety of different packs, so you know I had to grab a stack and see if we could get any good pulls. I brought the packs back home, and here's what we got. We got a total of 11 Japanese packs and 9 packs in English. Some of the Japanese packs I'm not sure what sets they really are, but they were all priced around or below market value at the time. We got a pretty good variety for the price, so let's get cracking and see if we can pull any hidden gems from this sketchy grocery store vending machine. Alright, pack number 1. We got Sword and Shield, Darkness Ablaze. This pack was $2. Alright, we only have 3 cards in the pack, no hits. Moving on to the next one. Next up we have a Match Battle Pack. These were $3 a piece. Okay, we got a Hollow Fuecoco. Nothing else really. Moving on. Pack number 3, which is probably the worst pack. We have Trick or Trade, and these were only $1 for a pretty good reason. I don't really expect much, but let's see. A Houndoom, Darkrai, Screamtail. Next Trick or Trade pack, we got Gengar. Okay, the art on this Gengar is not too bad. Nothing else. Back to a slightly more respectable pack, another Sword and Shield. This one is Rebel Clash, also a $2 pack. Do I see something in the back? A Hollow Seismitoad, and no, it's just a random pamphlet, never mind. Thought that was a card in the back. Next up we have the Pokemon Pokédex edition. These aren't actual Pokemon cards, but sometimes the art on these is pretty sick. This pack was about $3. Nothing really impressive in here. Next up we have the Japanese packs, and these typically have a higher hit rate, so I'm expecting at least 1 hit from all of these packs. First pack, I'm not sure exactly what set this is from, but these were all $4 a pop, and I got quite a few of them. First one, let's see if we get a hit card. No hits. Next pack, once again, extremely hard to open, and no hits there. The Lapras was pretty cool though. Pack 3. Nothing. I hope this isn't a trend with these packs. Hey, there we go. We finally got an EX card. It's probably not worth anything, but it's nice to finally see something. Next up we have a new set, which I also have no idea what it's called, or what US set it correlates with. But here we go, also $4 a pack. Ooh, let's go. We got a full art card. This is a Ninetales. This is pretty cool. I'm sure it's worth more than the $4. Alright, 14 packs in and we finally got something that raises the morale quite a bit. Let's keep it pushing through the rest of these packs. Onto another $4 pack. I also got a couple of these. Oh, back to back. I don't even know what Pokemon this is, but a Full Art EX, the art, and the holo on it, they're all pretty cool. Alright, now we're starting to heat up in the video. Nothing there, that's okay. Another one, this is another new set, also $4. And another dud, that's alright. This next pack I know correlates to something decent, I just can't think of the set names off top. Unfortunately, nothing in that one either. Okay, this one has a little holo in there. And this one last. Obviously, I know it is a 151 pack. This was the most expensive alternative pack, which was $8. Hopefully it pays off. We got, let's see, holographic Bulbasaur, and is this a Arbok EX? Is that what this is? Okay. We have one last leg of hope. These are the final US packs. They were less cheap, but still very fairly priced. We're going to start with the Scarlet and Violet base. This pack was $6 in the machine, which compared to the market price is slightly cheaper. Unfortunately, all we got were these 3 worthless holo cards. Up next we have Temporal Forces, which is also priced at $6, cheaper than current market. But unfortunately also filled with no hits or value. The Feraligatr looked pretty cool. Finally, the best for last, Destined Rivals, one of the other more expensive packs in the machine at $8 a pack, which is way below the market price. Hopefully we can get some last pack magic. Let's see here. And we cannot. That's okay though. All in all, this was a super fun experience and made for a pretty decent video. Here are the hit cards we got from this. 2 pretty decent hits, 2 mediocre ones. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video, if I should keep making Pokemon content. If you did enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I hope you have a great day.